Put it just on the end of the spoon, babe.
He doesn't know what to do with it.
It says they'll push it to the top of their mouth and then...
Give him a minute.
There it goes, he'll learn.
What is going on? What is this? You ready?
He's well, but he's
Dump that off the spoon, and then use the spoon to clean up his face. There you go.
Okay.
Yep.
Yours.
He can eat it. It's okay, you can eat it.
Now we're supposed to do this.
Just runs right back out.
It's okay, we'll get the hang of it.
Yeah.
It's pretty wild that it tells you not to put it in a bottle, you know?
Yeah.
Because that's what, man, that's what our moms did, that's what we did.
Can you taste it?
I can understand what they're saying, though.
Can you
He's
taste
like,
it?
it's like my milk, but there's something different. Oh, he's helping you. He makes the funniest
He's like,
face.
why are you guys laughing at me?
You don't want it in there? You don't want it in there? You'll help me, but it's not going to stay in there, huh? You just don't know what to do with it yet. We gotta get you ready. Steak's next.
Is that good stuff? No?
You try.